2023, we expect the metaverse to absolutely explode, especially in the early stages. And in today's video, we're going to look at 3 hot metaverse tokens that you really should be holding if you're an avid crypto investor. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any of your own money. Let's get into it, guys. So probably last year you heard Facebook shifting and changing its name to Meta, anticipating a huge shift in the way that we live our lives, moving towards a metaverse environment. The metaverse itself is kind of still a bit broad brush in terms of what it really specifically means, but ultimately it's kind of this world that allows all sorts of different people from around the world to interact in different ways, to be able to be as creative as possible, to create different games and opportunities, and so much more within a virtual reality type world. And because it's such a new and exciting concept, and a thing that is really behind, or the driving force behind creating a very exciting and interesting metaverse environment, stands to be a great investment going forward, in my opinion. Now, there's a variety of different metaverse tokens that serve the crypto community in a variety of different ways. But the Sandbox is one of my favorites because it offers a variety of different opportunities. And we're going to look further into what Sandbox is in just a moment. But the Sandbox itself currently down 3% on the day with a market cap of $1 billion. In the past, we've seen a market cap for Sandbox being in excess of $20 billion, which shows we got some exciting growth back to even all-time highs. And I think the way things are going, we will see way beyond all-time highs in the future. And if you're wondering what the Sandbox is, well, basically it's a kind of imaginary world of different NFTs, and you can go and buy your own NFT and create with that whatever you want. Here's some examples of different things which people have been creating. Now, this is very interesting because some of these pieces of land in the past were bought for just a few $100s and then literally weeks later sold for tens of thousands of dollars. So the possibilities are potentially endless. And with huge names like Adidas, Snoop Dogg, Atari, the Smurfs, and other celebrities in the mix, well, the Sandbox offers a very interesting investment opportunity. What I like about the Sandbox is it basically offers a creative opportunity for people in the past who may not have the skill set to be able to develop different games, different features within this particular environment, but now basically gives you the tool set, or the Sandbox in fact, to be able to go and create amazing and interesting things. And you can see here we've got Paris Land created by Paris Hilton and loads of other things involved. Once you create your NFTs in terms of land spaces, you can also create your own avatars. Here we got Snoop Dogg, Paris Hilton at the back, some of the Smurfs, and there's basically the possibilities are endless in terms of what you can create, and all of it is driven basically by the Sand token, which ultimately is going to see huge growth if the Sandbox environment also sees big growth into the future. Now, the next coin we're going to look at is Ape Coin. Last year we saw Ape Coin being released by the Bored Ape Yacht Club. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the kind of original big blue chip NFTs, with NFTs being owned by people like Eminem, Justin Bieber, and many others. And the Ape Coin is pretty much the biggest of the metaverse tokens with a market cap currently at $1.8 billion. Now, as we look across to OpenSea, guys, which is basically a marketplace for NFTs, we can see that the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT is starting at 71 Ethereum, which is well over $100,000 at current Ethereum prices. And you can see they go way up as we go up through the list of different Bored Ape yachts. Now, in terms of holding an NFT, it's not just about holding these pictures of monkeys, but they come with various different utilities. And in order to harness this kind of value, etc., the Bored Ape Yacht Club decided to airdrop Ape Coin to all of the different holders. And this is basically used as a governance token that will be used in the Bored Ape metaverse, which is likely to come in to play in the next year or so. And the last coin we're going to look at today, guys, is Internet Computer, currently with a market cap of $1.7 billion. This is a top 3 metaverse cryptocurrency right now. And this is basically created by Definity, which is a Swiss organization, or a non-profit Swiss organization that basically wants to decentralize the internet. Now, you're wondering what that really means. Well, for now, let's say if you post something on Facebook or you post something on Instagram, ultimately Instagram or Facebook has complete control over the content you post. So for example, you might be posting pictures, and some people have been posting pictures on there for like 10, 15 years, and all of those photos could potentially be wiped off and taken away by Facebook. But to create a fully decentralized autonomous internet solution like Web3, effectively it means that you can post whatever and it's put onto a place that only you ever control, no one else really has control over that. And that's pretty much the future of where the internet is heading. And internet computing is one of the driving forces behind that right now. And this is basically what it's talking about today. Web3 really runs on a big tech cloud, big tech being like Google, Meta, etc. Blockchains can host tokens, but only tiny amounts of data and compute, and no web. Whereas tomorrow or in the future, blockchains will host it all and fully decentralize everything from simple dApps to a billion user social networks, the metaverse, streaming games, order books, exchanges, and enterprise systems, basically giving everyone the opportunity to create incredible things going forward. And this makes for a very exciting future. Now, in the past, we've seen internet computer reaching a market cap of $45 billion, currently well below that. Therefore, there's a huge upside potential into this year and into the next, particularly because of the exciting work that internet computer is doing. So don't be fooled by the uninspirational name internet computer, because they are working on some incredible things that will surely see a huge boom in the next couple of years, with the crypto market starting to build once more. So in summary, I think that the Web3 and metaverse environments are going to absolutely boom through 2023 and into 2024 with the rise of things like GameFi, with the rise of the metaverse, and basically full autonomous decentralization of various platforms. This is very exciting for everyone involved, and I think that these particular platforms, being the OGs of their own little niches, will absolutely dominate the spaces going forward. Guys, if you've found today's video useful and interesting, then hit that thumbs up button for me. Thanks very much for doing that. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about the metaverse, Web3, NFTs, crypto, and much more, then hit subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.